Do you know that you don't need to be a psychologist or social worker to do imago relationship training? What we have discovered is that probably only 5% of people needs therapy. 95% plus people needs tools and information to do relationship effectively. We have amazing training, the Imago Professional Relationship Training, that train people that is not clinical people like clergy, human resource managers, teachers, parents. Well, I think this is for everyone. Everyone that wants to make this world a better place, that want people to learn how to relate healthy. This training is for you.